630 West, Boy, George, 86 Lincoln, BGG, 86L, Black Dodge Challenger. Going shotgun seat. Turn west on 10th Street. Coming up on Abigail. Speed 58. Light traffic. Going south on Adam. Coming down on 12, going west on correction, keep going. Still going south. Adams. 12 and Adams. Yeah. Let me see your hands. Going on foot. Let me see your fucking hands. Give me your fucking hands. Get the fuck on the ground.
Okay, I ain't got nothing.
Dumbass motherfucker.
I ain't got nothing. You right, I'm down. Okay, please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. I'm sorry for running, officer. I need. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me, officer. Please don't hurt me, officer. I'm not resisting arrest.
Get up.
Please don't hurt me. I'm not resisting arrest. Okay. Can you get my stuff off the ground?
You can clear the net, start at 1016 for me. Hey, what's this address? What's this address? What's this address? What's the address here? Adams? I'll be at the address of 1701 Adams.
Sir, I'm not trying to fight with you. I'm not trying to fight with you, sir. Please, sir, don't hurt me. I'm not trying to fight with you. I got my keys in my pocket up here. Can you put my teeth in my mouth, please?
No, stop reaching in your
I'm not reaching for nothing. I ain't got nothing, sir. I'm not reaching for nothing. You don't got to handle me like this. Can somebody please record this?
It's all I'm coming right there. Okay. See that? Look at that. Right there.
Please, stop trying to handle me this, bro. I'm not fighting.
You got kids and a woman in the car. You
I ain't
running
got
like
no
that?
kids in the car.
Who in the car?
This my girl, man. I got no kids in the car.
Fucked up my car. Yo, dumb ass, bro.
Bro, listen. Can I ask you something?
No, you can't ask me nothing. In the car. You okay? Need an ambulance. Come here.
I don't know what to do.
I got an ambulance coming, all right? You good?
In my head, but I gotta go to work tomorrow. My car is I don't know what to do. I told him to stop. He would not
I'm 10-4. Can you just start me at 10-11 and 10-16?
Bro, he would not stop. I told him to stop. I worked so hard for my car. I told him they was gonna give me a fucking ticket.
Anything illegal in the car?
No.
come on board.
What's in your pocket?
There's my keys and my phone. Yeah, some money. Other little stuff, man. I just don't want you thinking about no bullshit with you, man. I understand I done fucked up. I ain't trying to take it no harder than it's gonna do. My phone in the car. I ain't got my phone. That's everything that's in my car.
Yeah, 2 was in the car.
Hey, ma'am. Come here.
Damn, man. Right here? Let's search the car. Anything illegal in the car? Dumbass tried to run it a V6.
Let me ask you for the 1016, what you say talking about?
I just said, I don't know. I didn't even hear him. I said 1016 to 11.
52 to 7. Go down, I'm Highway 70. Ten more, 2 people in the vehicle. 1 in custody. Minor damage to 37. He gonna get scared of. He had been driving to headquarters. Ten more TGI into a tree.
I didn't get her information.
What's your breath about, I think 20 of it. Picture.
Ask him that address.
Exact 20. It's gonna be 1501 average. 1501 average.
I got a whole week to go to tomorrow.
Did you already copy Boy George 86?
That's really the only damage. I mean, that'll both out.
What you were doing is, you already searching this. You already got her information?
I didn't get her information yet.
Hey, ma'am.
You got your ID? Let me see your ID. Not really. I mean, I went through it, but I ain't just...
Where did he run to?
He ran. Yeah, I didn't really go check over there either.
Yeah, hold on. Soon as you get done. Stand by. As soon as you get done scanning her ID or your incident report, just take your time, walk back to where you chased him, make sure he ain't threw nothing on the ground or nothing like that. And then once you get done with that, you should be able to be clear. Take him, go ahead, take him to UAMS to get him cleared out the south side. And then I'll stand by the tow and I'll search the vehicle. Right. You already stopped your video?
No.
Stop it. Yeah.